Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make tomato kofte or tomatoes and meatball curry. Meatballs are fried and spread on the bed of cooked tomato and then simmered along with spices to get a juicy and soft texture. This classic Kashmiri meatball curry is spicy, a bit tangy because of tomatoes, and tastes amazing. So let's get started. Making this curry, I have taken half a kg of meat mince, some freshly chopped coriander, a few green chilies you can skip, 2 teaspoons of chickpea flour or besan and 1 egg, tomatoes around 1 kg, 1 onion diced, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, half a cup of oil, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a cinnamon stick, black cardamom, green cardamom, a few cloves, salt according to your taste, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of chilli powder. Now in a food processor I am taking meat mince, green chilies, onions, green coriander, egg, besan, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Grind them till you get this kind of consistency. So here you can see. So everything's mixed properly. Now we will shape them into balls. Now shape them into balls by dipping your hands in water. Then you can make cylindrical or a round shape. Here the koftas or meatballs are ready. Now I will refrigerate them, and till then I'll cook tomatoes. Tomatoes I have blended to a paste. You can take like that also, but they were a bit firm. So now in a pan I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil, added ginger garlic paste and whole spices, cumin seeds, black and green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon sticks. Saute and then add blended tomatoes. Mix, add salt and let them cook till oil is visible on surface. It may take around 20 to 30 minutes on medium to high flame. Keep stirring in between. So after around 30 minutes, oil is almost visible on the surface. Now we will add spices like chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger powder, coriander powder, garam masala, fennel seed powder. Mix properly and let it fry on low flame till all the spices are mixed properly and fried properly. Now the tomatoes are done. I'll add half a cup of water and keep them aside. Now in a pan I have heated up remaining oil and added refrigerated meatballs. Here the flame is low. We will fry meatballs on all sides till they are brownish on surface. We have to be patient with this. We have to fry them on low flame. Keep turning till they are fried on all sides. Here koftas or meatballs are fried properly on all sides. So I'll remove excess oil from them and then add cooked tomatoes. Mix, add a glass of water and let them cook on low flame for half an hour. You can check the salt also at this stage. Cover and let them cook. So after half an hour on low flame, so here the koftas are almost ready. At this stage you can check the gravy consistency and salt and adjust accordingly. Here our spicy and marvelous tomato kofte are ready. Now we'll dish them out. Give them a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.